We move back to the markets, Anuj.
Yeah, I think interesting. The mid caps. I think Motherson Sumi really is the stock of the moment. 7% higher on that stock. It's not weakened at all at any point during the day. And now, like we spotted the move right at the start, and now it's up 7.5% on top of the gains that it had. Of course, it's the one which has fallen a lot, but now seeing big gains. Ashwani is back with us. So is Prakash. Morning again. Ashwani, clearly been a stock-specific market. The Motherson Sumi clearly your stock of the day. Thoughts here, and what about the market? What's the call on the index?
Recently, the stock was embarrassing me because people were stopping me in hotels and asking me what happened to your favorite stock. So it's good that it started to move higher, and this is a good price for a good company, and no-brainer style trade. Today's targets are done, so let's not talk about it. But overall, I think some of these gems in mid caps, you should use these opportunities to accumulate, not those multi-bagger stocks, because here you have a solid business. Reliance, meanwhile, I think is a buy with a stop of 1225, target of 1275. The market dipped, found support at 10,790 and has come back very sharply. So that way the intraday setup is also improved. And finally, HDFC Bank is a buy with a stop of 2095, target of 2135. So today could still turn out to be a solid day because the market is turning positive. Mid caps are again up, Nifty Junior about 100 odd points. So chances are we could close finally strong.
Okay. Prakash, good morning to you. What are you trading at 10?
I think I like two stocks. I'll first go with ICICI Bank. That looks good to me. The targets that I have is ICICI Bank is around 360 zones. Would have a stop below 352. And I like Motherson Sumi as well. I've modified the target to 360 and also modified the stop to around, Motherson Sumi is 160 and also modified the stop to around 148.
Okay, all right. Those are Prakash's picks. Let's just quickly tell you about Mitesh's stock ideas as well. For 10 a.m., he has a buy call on BEML. Stop loss is 821 and the target is 855. Mitesh also has another buy. This is on RBL Bank. Stop loss here is at 560. The target is 585.
Okay, let's address a couple of more names actually before we take a break, because a lot of mid caps are now flying. Ashwani, any thoughts on a Shriram Transport or a Colgate, both making highs of the morning right now?
I think Shriram Transport and in general NBFCs are doing well. So today is not a Colgate Palmolive type day, a defensive type day. So my sense would be that financials is something people should continue to buy into, particularly now that Motherson Sumi etc. have started moving. Maybe there is a correlation, but yes, overall you should be buying into most of these NBFCs. Shriram could get up to 1250, 1260. A lot of bottoming out is happening in these off-center stocks like Motherson. All of a sudden it has a 10% rally under its belt. So wherever previous lows are close by, buying seems to be coming back in those areas.
I was going to ask a stock like that, wondering whether there would be time. Magma FinCorp. That's another one that's like, over the past few days zoomed up and today up 7.5. Ashwini, you track that?
See, basically not on a daily basis, but these are the kind of stocks that you have to get into, because others like larger bank etc. may have moved higher. Again, the previous bottom on Magma was 95. So it went below 95, not sustained, and now there's probably short covering also, which is getting into play, because this daily 100-150 point move on, this Nifty Junior just means that people are even now getting into ETFs, because ETF exactly bounced back from recent previous lows.
I mean, ETFs, look at the way ETFs and index funds have delivered. Last year was a year of passives. Active funds actually underperformed. All large cap funds were down. And it was just the simple Nifty ETF or the index fund that just fetched you so much more. All right, gentlemen, on that note, we're going to take your leave. We'll come back through the day and get more trading ideas in. But here's a quick reminder and something that can perk up your Monday evening. The News 18 Rising India Summit kickstarts today in New Delhi. This is one platform where you can catch all the biggest newsmakers of the country, from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President Amit Shah, to opposition chief ministers Kamal Nath and Bhupesh Baghel. Along with a host of union ministers would be Isha Foundation founder Sadhguru, Bollywood and sports icons like Deepika Padukone, and India's highest test wicket taker and former cricketer Anil Kumble. That's the News 18 Rising India Summit in New Delhi today and tomorrow. And of course, all the action will be here on CNBC-TV18. We'll take a break on that note. On the other side, the commodity market trades for the morning. Manisha Gupta is going to be back with us. And also, we get chatting with IIFL's Nirmal Jain. He'll be talking about, of course, the recent SEBI developments, plus, of course, the business on the broking side and some of the issues that the credit market has faced of late.